So this is Teacher Gesner once again. For those of you who don't know me, and if, for example, you see that I just stopped the video, I mean, I just stand up and trying to do something else. That's because it's an emergency. Okay. So welcome, le maître. If you want to participate in this, I follow you. Follow me. We are practicing common prompt, and um it's right here in front of you. So let me try to resume what we did last time. Last time we did deal, okay, and we press on enter. So it shows you a bunch of information of files that you have on your computer. Okay, so I said to erase everything on the to clear the black screen, you just write the command CLS, okay, and you press on enter. So you do this just because you want to know what's going on, what you have as files on your computer. So what does that mean, CMD, and how you can get it on your computer that has a Windows installed on it? You go to the the restart button where you can find it, the search engine, and then you type CMD. So what it means, and then it will just, if you click on it, like it will pop up a window just like this. So we did a first part, a second part. This is our third part on CMD, and this video is being recorded, and I want to define it first. I want to define it again because every video that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna define CMD. And I welcome every one of you who's just joined. And follow me, and I'll follow you back. Okay. And let's define CMD. That you can tap CMD on your search button by the window icon, and then it will just pop up a screen like this on your computer. What is CMD? CMD stands for um let me get I don't need glasses while I'm reading this, while I'm saying this. CMD stands for command prompt. It is a command line interpreter application available in most Windows operating systems. CMD allow users to run system commands, navigate files and folders, okay, execute programs or scripts, troubleshoot and configure system settings. It's a powerful tool for performing tasks without using the graphical interface. Okay, so that's what we always do. I always define CMD. What is it? Okay, so we can just practice. So I invite you to turn on. I invite you to turn on your chat GPT, open chat GPT, and then ask chat GPT to share some commands with you to practice on the command prompt. Okay, so you can myself, I'm gonna practice, like make a resume, review what we saw. We saw a deer. Okay, so I'm not gonna write deer, but I'm just gonna explain it because I just did it. um It's Deal is kind of top basic. It's three top basic command prompts to practice and their meanings. So when you type deal, okay, when you type deal like this, I did this in the first video, but for those of you who didn't see it, so this is deal, okay, this is deal, and then when you type deal, what it means: list all files and folders in the current directory. Use helps you see what's in the folder. Okay. So now if I want to delete, let's say clear the screen, I just type CLS. Sorry, CLS, and then I press on enter. Okay. So now the second one, it's kind of a review that I'm doing. The second one is CD. Okay, so if I write CD documents, meaning changes the directory folder you're working in, move between folders. CD, let's do this rapidly. Okay, let's CD and then space, then I write documents, the documents. Okay, and I press on enter. So what does this exactly do in the computer? Okay, um, when you use move between folders, changes the directory. So that means you change the directory folder you are working in. Okay, use move between folders. Okay, so um, it's CD documents example. All right. So now, if you want to, so I'm gonna write now CLS, meaning clears the CMD screen. So example, if the if the screen is full, I just type CLS. Okay. Use clean up the window. Let's type CLS rapidly. Okay, let's CLS, and then we check on enter. So it clears the window. So it's executed. So and yes, exactly. So CLS meaning clears the CMD screen. Use clean up the window for better visibility. CLS. So these are great for beginners learning navigation and clean up in the command prompts. Okay, so now let's let's practice MK MK Okay, so if we write MK what it's gonna mean? MK Let's write MK Okay, MK Okay, so what MK So stop. I will come back. Crazy. I told you. I told you I would have to do this like this, and let's try to do this. Okay. So what did we say? Okay, we're gonna use mkdir. So when you type mkdir, meaning creates a new directory folder. So when you type, so let's type mkdir, follow the screen, and then so if we write and then we just click on, so if you click on enter, the reason why it's saying file syntax of the command, it is incorrect. So now let's put CLS. Okay, so you know the reason why it says that? That's because we need to add something else. So what is it? Let's write mkdir and wait, mkdir my folder. Okay, mkdir my folder. Let's write mkdir my folder. Okay, so you see, if I write mkd in my folder and I click on enter, this is what's gonna happen. Let's click on enter. Okay, so it's there. Okay, all right. So now we have a directory or file, my folder already exists. Okay, so this was already exist. That's fine. So when we do this, what it means? Let's read. Um, you create when you use the command mk dear my folder, that means you make a new folder inside the current location. Okay, so you make a new folder inside the current location, so it's mk dear my folder. Okay, so now let's let's see if our second command is not related to the first one. So now we have, so now we have, yes, we're gonna write another command, which is rmdir my folder. Let's write. RM here, my my folder. Okay, and then we click on it. Okay, so when we do this, what does this do? So when you, meaning you removes, deletes a directory. Okay, so the same directory you created with mkdir, you just remove it and or delete it. Okay, so let me check something for TikTok right now. It's crazy. The natives, and yeah, so they always do this, even though you're trying to do something educational. Okay, notice is okay, even though you're trying to do something educational. Okay, they always send you a notice that you need to take care of. All right, so it doesn't matter. We're trying to do this, so TikTok needs to check its algorithm so that to not bother people when you're trying to do something educational. I hope that some other people can tell them that. Okay, so now we have 21 views. So let's, yeah, we were saying that the same folder, the new folder that we created with mkdir my folder, we can delete it with rmdir my folder. So that's what we did. Okay, so now I'm gonna give you echo. Echo. Before I write echo, let me write CLS. CLS. Okay, so we go back up. So now echo. ECHO. Echo, meaning display messages or turns comment echoing on, echoing off. Use often often used in scripts or to test output. Okay, echoing on, echoing off. Okay, so let's try echo hello world. Okay, let's try echo hello world. Echo hello, comma, in world, in world, exclamation mark. And then let's press on enter. Okay, so you see what we have here? We have hello world. So sorry, hello world. It's not a problem. So let's consider we wanted to say hello world. Okay. So whatever you write, it will just show up on the second one, on the second sentence. Okay, or on this on the next sentence. So you see the result, the output, it's hello world. So this is echo hello world. So I wanted to write hello world, but I missed the other double LO, and I wrote that's fine. It's not a problem. So let's use this. Okay. Because we're not robot, we are just human being. We can not, this is not a big mistake, but this is something that we can understand it. Okay, so this was about it. Practicing some, we review dear cd cls. Okay, and then we practice mkdir, mkd my folder, rmd my folder. So, and also we practice echo, echo hello world. Just I wanted to write hello world, echo hello world, and then if okay, that's it. I think turn on or turn off. So if we want to erase this, I think I'm gonna leave it like this. Okay, I'm not gonna do anything. So that's how you practice um comments on CMD. Okay, so this video was recorded, and you will find it on my page. Okay, so let's practice this for entertainment. Okay, that was teacher Gesner, and that's what we do and what we do best. A little bit of comment prompts, and we're gonna make a lot of videos like this. Okay, so the pleasure was mine again. And this is another way of next time I will try not follow more people. Kindly, Jean, I followed you, followed me. Okay. So this was comment prompt. You can use ChatGPT to help you with the code with the comments. ChatGPT will give you the comments, and then you will practice them on CMD on comment prompts. So see you next for the rest. Bye.